All over the world, private companies and government agencies work with the personal data of citizens. Each company has specialists or departments that monitor the security of their customer data. Sometimes the preventive measures for data protection do not work, and the information gets leaked. The consequences of the data leak could be insignificant or very serious. Personal data protection is one of the key principles of the digital rights of citizens and modern businesses. Customers want to be sure that their data is protected. For example, the data is stored in accordance with the law and is not transferred to other organizations, including foreign ones. Information about each client is valuable and requires careful, modern, and safe handling. Surnames, account numbers, contents of orders, medical tests, and other personal data can become exposed and accessible, which is unpleasant, and sometimes even dangerous. This can cause damage to property, health, and even the lives of people. And if such a leak takes place, the client ceases to trust the company. The loss of trust entails an outflow of customers, and therefore, a loss of money. Problems with personal data protection can threaten your reputation, and negative reviews about you could appear in the media and social networks. You can get the most up-to-date information and improve the level of data security knowledge of your employees at the training center of the Data Protection Agency. The main area of activity of the training center of the state agency is improving the knowledge of citizens, employees of state and municipal bodies, as well as commercial organizations in the field of personal data protection and cybersecurity. Each company needs to constantly improve the protection of the data privacy of its customers, know and apply modern methods of data protection, and train the data security skills of the employees who work with personal data. Confidentiality and protection of your customers' personal data will increase clients' trust in your company, improve your reputation, and help your business development in the market. At the agency's training center, any person can be trained in the area of digital skills, personal data protection, basics of cybersecurity and programming. The training takes place in person, but some courses are also available in an online format. As a result, graduates of the center's courses will improve their knowledge and receive certificates. You can sign up for the courses and learn more about the training by phone or on the website